What's up, guys? I'm just finishing up a workout here, but I wanted to make a video to answer some of your questions. One of the questions that I've gotten a lot is about credit scores. So the question was, what credit score do I need to qualify for a loan, right? So two of the most common loans are the FHA and the conventional loan. So for the FHA, you're gonna need at least 580 credit score. And for the conventional loan, you're gonna need at least a 620 credit score. Now, you definitely want to have higher than that, right? So you want to aim for let's say 720 or 750, because the higher the credit score, the better rate you're going to get, right? So you need at least 580 or 620 to qualify, but you definitely want to have it higher than that to get the best terms. Now, what happens when you apply together, right? So let's say you want to apply with your partner, whether it's your wife or your husband. So you apply with them. Let's say you have a credit score of 750. And your wife has a credit score of 640. Well, the bad thing right there is that the lender is going to look at the lower credit score. So even though you have a great credit score, right, 750, they're going to take the lowest one, which in this case will be 640. So that's a situation right there where it might not make too much sense for you guys to apply together. But, let's look at another example. Let's say you have 750 credit score and your wife has a 740 credit score. Well, in that case, both of you guys are not too far off from each other, right? So in that case, yeah, it might make sense to apply together. So that's just one thing you want to keep in mind whenever you apply with a partner to see if it's going to make sense or not. So now that we know that credit score is very important, then how do we improve it, right? Well, the first step is going to be knowing what is your credit score. So there's different ways that you can check it. You can go to your credit card websites or other different websites. One of the websites that I recommend, though, is annualcreditreport.com. So that's a free website. You can go there and you can check your score. You're also going to get your free credit report. So that's where you're going to see all the accounts that are open under your name. Another thing you're going to see is, and you want to check for, is your credit report, right? That's where you're going to see, for example, if you see that you were sent to collections for an amount that you didn't pay, but you actually have no idea about that amount, right? So that could actually be a mistake. So you want to make sure that you look at that and you get anything fixed that shouldn't be there. So after you look at that, some quick tips that I have to improve your score. And again, this could be a whole video with, a lot more different things, but just some quick tips that I have right now is one of them is to make your payments on time, right? So don't miss any payments. If you miss your payment on a credit card and that goes onto your credit report, you're pretty much telling the lender that, hey, you're not capable of making your payments on time, or you're going to miss a payment sooner or later, right, on the mortgage. So that's definitely not something that you want to show the lender. So you want to make your payments on time. The second thing I would recommend is to not max out your credit cards, right? So it's good to use your credit cards, to use them responsibly, but don't max them out, right? Because first of all, that's going to look bad on your credit score. But again, that's also going to put you in debt, and a lot of debt, right? So especially if you're maxing them out. So that's what I got for you today. And if you have any more questions, feel free to let me know. Now, one thing to remember is that, everything's going to depend on your specific situation, right? So you want to make sure that you touch base with your lender and your real estate agent. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching and see you next time.